Okay, this is the Blizzard 2026 Sunday 22nd of February Blizzard 2026.
Okay.
Right now we outside experiencing the blizzard. Woo.
God, come on. First, this so camera, go to camera, and video. Click the red button to start. Okay, so this
Your first experience blizzard outside. Gotta say something. Talk to your phone. Talk to it.
is 2 feet, which means that it could be dangerous for
About herself, that was just adding one.
The wind is swirling outside right now. Very windy.
very extreme.
You gotta clear the face, focus on the camera. You gotta focus while talking. Focus on what you need to focus on. It is white out.
Why even the stuff
Everything sort of sticks.
is always crazy like
With the white bike.
you see how this
It's a black bike turned white. White bicycle turned white.
black bike and this donut is all covered.
This is how the wind's swirling around the lights up there.
What? Okay. When a blizzard happens and it's facing this way, that means you shouldn't turn back. Because it's just blows into your eyes and face. That would have to clean your eyes and you probably use snow that has bacteria from people who walk on it.
It is wild out here. It's starting to get dismal. Everybody trying to get in. Brooklyn, New York. The NYPD vehicle turned white right now. It's getting whiter and whiter.
Wider and wider. If the police car
The wind is picking up.
even though it's already white,
It's gusting probably maybe 25, 30 miles per hour. So it's kind of getting wilder and wilder. It's only the beginning of this blizzard. Right here is a four corner. You see the wind how it swirls around the building. From right here, it's white out.
see the reflection of light looking like it has some sort of
Spinning like a tornado wind around the four corners right here.
See? Dad, look at this.
Turbulence wind.
Look at this.
Yeah.
It's nice, right?
Yeah. She want to come on the experience, man.
Not
Yeah.
my fault.
Oh, for real.
You can just stick out your tongue and
Yeah.
boom.
Let me stop this one.